Good evening, all the participants and our respected chief guests. And I'm Dr. Yogesh Babu Tunga. And today in our Global Nexus 2025, I'm presenting the topic about the impact of OTT platforms in Andhra Pradesh, an empirical study on how digital streaming is transforming entertainment. The content here as an introduction as usual and review literature, objectives, the hypothesis of the study, methodology, analysis. So in the introduction part, we thoroughly gone the content or the overview as a transformation in entertainment consumption in India, a rapid growth and a competitive landscape of OTT platforms, factors driving the rise of OTT platforms, and leading platforms in the Indian diverse market like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Hotstar, Sony Live, and G5. And finally, the evolution of content creation and storytelling. So, whereas a literature review, since the topic as new and recent, 5 or 6 years, the OTT is very popular, and the existing studies we concentrated on viewership and audience insights, on content diversity and original programming, and subscription model and consumer behavior, competitive strategies, impact on traditional media, and evaluation of frameworks. This is about we review of the literature. Then the objectives of this study. So analyze the shift in consumer behavior from traditional media to OTT platforms. Examine opportunity, accessibility, and regional content's role in the OTT growth. Assess the impact of OTT platforms on the Telugu entertainment industry. The hypothesis of the study. H1 about increased accessibility of internet and smartphones drives OTT usage in Andhra Pradesh. And H2 availability of regional content expands OTT reach and engagement. Then methodology is the qualitative analysis of viewership metrics, content diversity, and the subscription models. The demographic and statistics here, we consider the age distribution, gender distribution, marital status, educational level, OTT usage of frequency, and the primary OTT platforms used. The data collection, where primarily the content analysis dinners, language offerings, the original productions, regional content, audience reception. Whereas the sampling, the selected platforms left as earlier I mentioned Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Hotstar, Sony Live, G5, and the content sampling across genders and languages. The analysis methods, descriptive statistics for viewership trends in reach, thematic analysis for content diversity and quality, the comparative analysis for a subscription model evaluation. We come to the point of the analysis, the viewership metric analysis. The quantitative analysis, the subscribers accounts, active users, and viewership statistics. The key findings are platforms, specific trends, and demographic engagement. In content diversity assessment, the qualitative analysis, thematic analysis, and content coding. The key findings are content library, uniqueness, and audience preferences. The subscription model evaluation, the comparative analysis here, the comparison of subscription packages, pricing, and users' feedback. The key findings are users' retention strategies and the subscription attractiveness. The comparative platform ranking here, synthesis of findings to the key insights. Whereas the synthesis of findings here, integration of viewership, content, and subscription model analysis. Whereas key insights are identification of leading platforms and their market position. The impact of content localization. So, qualitative analysis, the influence on users' engagement and platforms' popularity. Whereas key findings are effectiveness of culturally relevant content strategies. The correlation and trends. The correlational analysis, exploring a relationship between metrics and emerging trends. Whereas emerging trends, preferences, and their impact on OTT success. The users' engagement analysis. The behavioral analysis also, whereas the time spent, interaction frequency, users generated content. The key findings are features driving engagement and platforms loyalty. The market perception and brand image. The survey analysis, here market perception and brand reputation among consumers. The key findings are consumer perception influencing broad loyalty. The impact on traditional media and industry disruption. The industry impact analysis, disruptive effects on traditional media and consumption trends. Whereas key findings are transformation of the entertainment landscape. So whereas discussion, the interpretation of findings here, three key points: the viewership insights, content diversity analysis, a subscription model effectiveness. The implication and insights. The user behavior and engagement of trends, whereas market perception and brand image, impact on traditional media and industry shift. The recommendation feature directions. The strategic recommendation is here, the enhancing user experience, content and subscription model. The feature research avenues, areas for further explanation of evolving consumers' preferences. Conclusion. The conclusion part, summary of key insights. The viewership metrics indicating audience engagement differences. The importance of unique and regional content of platform appeal. The subscription model's role in users retention and pricing strategies. The comparative analysis highlights competitive positioning. Last one, impact on traditional media and consumer behavior transformation. Whereas the references earlier introduction I said is also like almost from 14, 15 days. We got it very recent one from journals and some books we refer. These are the references, and thank you very much.